This brings me to my last point, and that's point 3, NFT. I'm telling you, if Ethereum wasn't nothing a big deal to you, what I'm going to say next is a very big deal. Because, like I said, industries, NFTs are just general term that's used to talk about art. But folks, there's a lot more to NFT, and that's where the security part comes in. To what I see, data files. That's going to be it's already post a pre design. Just like, you know, we were in the pre-internet days when we did you know, if you remember, if you were college like I was, those yellow or green screens, you were typing code, or you were typing in this you know, chat rooms per se. That was pre-internet, folks. But I digress. All right, NFT, folks, huge. I can't even stress enough how huge NFT is. But I'm gonna give you a nugget. Watch this, and to help you understand who you're doing business with. For you to understand NFT, you really need to watch The Matrix 2. That's The Matrix Reloaded, Part 2. The one with the motorcycle scene on the highway. I love that scene. And as a philosopher and a visionary, that's the difference, folks. I'm going to share with you something very deep about NFT. What is important to know about NFT is the word blockchain technology, which is the layer or the underlying layer of security that will allow us to do millions of transactions in seconds, probably microseconds actually, within seconds on a global level without the red tape and bureaucracy, and that's what the government doesn't like. So what about the Matrix movie, you ask, right? Well, let me tell you. In the beginning of the movie, this is The Matrix 2 Reloaded. Make sure you watch that because you'll see the points of what I'm making right now. You need to watch the opening scene, very important scene. Don't skip a step, because the very first scene, I went to rewatch it and I said, wow, I get it. And that was after doing a lot of research. And I said, let me go watch The Matrix, because I remember that scene and it made sense. And I'm about to make sense for you right now.
If this video was helpful to you, please rate it with a thumbs up or thumbs down.